Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to creating a symmetrical portrait. Here I've taken a shot of this mannequin, brought it into Photoshop. Notice that I only have one layer selected. The first thing we have to do is bring up the rulers. Before I do that, I just want to get a little bit a closer view onto the face by clicking Command and the plus sign. When I hold down the space bar, I have this hand icon, which allows me to just drag the image around using my mouse. Okay. I'm going to bring up the rulers by clicking Command and the letter R on the keyboard. And as you can see, I have a ruler up on the top here and over here on the left. I'm going to select the Move tool, which is the topmost tool on our toolbar. Shortcut is V to bring it up. Click into the ruler area and just drag out a line. I'm not letting go just yet. I just want to position it exactly in the center of the face. I'm using the center of the nose, right between the nostrils, and the center of the lips as my guides. Once I feel I'm pretty much in the center, I'm just going to let go, and here I have a selection. I'm going to zoom out, Command minus, twice, and now I have a pretty good selection. The next tool I need to use is the Marquee Tool, which is this one up here, the second tool. A shortcut for that, as you can see, is the letter M. If you've used this tool before, it has two forms. It has the rectangular Marquee Tool, and it has the elliptical Marquee Tool. It will always default back to the last one used. So if you've used the elliptical tool, and you're trying to make a selection, it's going to make a round selection. We don't want that. You're going to click onto this area, hold your mouse down, and select Rectangular Marquee Tool. And again, the shortcut to bring that tool up is the letter M. We're going to start with the left-hand side of the image, which is the right side of the mannequin's face. We'll bring the tool up to the right, to the top corner, and click and drag our selection to the center of the rule that we made earlier. Okay, we let go, and now we have these marching ants showing us the selection that we've made. We need to duplicate this layer twice. To do that, we click on Command and the letter J on our keyboards twice. Command J, Command J. And as you can see here, we have two instances of the same layer copied. Let's toggle the view of the background layer off by clicking on this eye icon. It's going to make it disappear, and we have only these two layers visible. What we want to do is select the topmost layer, which is already selected. You can tell it's selected because it's highlighted. If I select this layer, then this one is highlighted. The topmost layer is selected, and we're going to click on Command and the letter T on our keyboards. At this point, we bring our cursor over this selection, right-click on our mouse, which will bring up this menu, and we want to click on Flip Horizontal. Let's drag out by clicking into it and dragging it, and placing it right here, and let go. Now click on Return or Enter on your keyboard, and there it is. You have two copies of the same layer, basically creating a symmetrical view of the right-hand side of her face. Now we have to take these two layers, layer 1 and layer 1 copy, and make them into one layer, merge them together. To do this, we must select both layers. The top one is already selected. In order to select multiple layers, we hold down the Shift key on our keyboards and click onto this layer. Now we have both of them selected. We're going to click on the mouse, on the keyboard, Command and the letter E, and that will merge the layers together. Let's click into the text area and rename this layer Right, because it's the right-hand side of the mannequin's face. Let's turn off the visibility of this layer by clicking the eye icon and turn on the visibility on the layer below, the background layer. Don't forget, this layer is currently selected. Let's select the background layer by clicking onto it. It's now highlighted. We're going to repeat this process with the other side of the face. Let's drag. We still have the Marquee Tool selected. If not, then click the letter M and drag out your rectangle. Let go and click Command J twice. Command J, Command J. The middle layers are now our new layers. Let's drag this right layer right above background and turn off the visibility of background. So now the order of the files should be background, the right side layer that we created, and the two new layers that we just created. Select the topmost layer, Command T for free transform, Command T, now right click, flip horizontal, and drag this layer to the left hand side. Align it and let go, click enter. In order to hide this rule, we don't need it anymore. Click on Command H for hide. Select both of these layers. Again, the topmost layer is already selected. We're going to hold down Shift and click layer 1 and click on Command E to merge these two layers together. Click into the text and name it left. Let's go ahead and turn the visibility on all the layers and look at what we've done. So this is a symmetrical view of the left-hand side of her face. Let's toggle this eye off so we can see the layer below it. This is a symmetrical view of the right-hand side of her face. If we turn off the visibility of this layer off, we'll see the original image. And let's turn them back on and save our file by clicking on File, Save As. In Format, select Photoshop. Give it a location. Mine is saved on the desktop under the name Portrait Symmetry. And click Save. OK this message. And there you go. The file is now saved on your desktop under the name Portrait Symmetry.psd, which is a Photoshop file. Please go ahead and submit this file to your assignment. Thank you.